Dear friends, today I will tell you how to attempt the PMP exam. As everybody is thinking it's a tough exam, but if you keep in mind a few tricks and tips which I'm going to tell you, really it will be very easy for you. First of all, be on time. Which exam center you have selected to take your exam? Try to be there on time. Try to 15 minutes reach there 15 minutes before the exam time. Second point which you have to keep in mind is that be confident. Don't hesitate. Take it easy. Be patient and don't bring anything to eat or drink because eating and drinking is strictly prohibited during the exam. You cannot eat, you cannot drink. Second thing, during the exam, when you will enter into the exam center and you will reach to your PC, then you cannot talk, even you cannot move your head. If you will face any problem, just raise your hand. The invigilator, he will come to you and he will ask what you need. Don't bring any calculator, anything else, because in the exam center you will be provided with a calculator, scratch papers, a sketchbook you can say, and pencil also. When you will attempt the exam and before leaving the exam center, they will collect these items from you back. Third point which you have to keep in your mind, there is before the actual exam will start, there will be 15-minute session which will show you how to attempt the questions in the exam. After the attempting these 15 minutes just like a mock-up exam, then there will be a survey. They will ask different questions regarding the mock-ups or the exam center. Many questions will be there. You have to attempt the survey, but be confident this survey will not count you anything. It will not affect your score. If you mark all means negative, not agree, it will not cost you any marks, means it will not disturb your marks. The fourth point which you have to keep in your mind, that is, in the first go attempt only those questions they are 100% clear to you. Don't try to attempt any question which you have a little doubt in that question. Always try to attempt in the first go because it will be your start and you will be energetic. Therefore try to solve all the questions which are clear to you. Don't try to attempt tough questions in the start because it will make you confused and you will lose your concentration and it will utilize all your energy. At the end your morale will be down and you will start thinking that I will fail the exam, I will fail the exam. Such overthinking and negative thoughts will coming to you. Therefore in the first go, means in the first attempt when you start your exam, try to solve all those questions which are 100% clear to you. Start from question number 1, reach up to 200. From 1 to 200, how many questions are clear, 100% clear to you and you're confident that these are right? Try to attempt those questions. The next tip which you have to keep in your mind, that is, skip the tough questions. If you face any tough question, don't concentrate even on that question. Try to skip that question, and while attempting other questions, don't bring the tough question to your mind that I have to attempt that question too. Don't think over that questions and just skip. Continue attempting the easy ones. Next tip is that don't attempt those questions that will put you into doubt. Some questions will be which will put you in a doubt, that some options which it will have, these will be almost similar to each other. It will make you confused, either this is right or this is right. But one of these questions, choices, one is right and the three will be wrong, but two will be very close to each other, which will put you in a doubt. Therefore don't attempt that questions that time, because in the later on when you will trying to attempt all the 200 questions, some other questions will also come which will relate to the previous questions which have put you in a doubt, and these questions will make you clear that which option is right for this question. Therefore don't attempt any questions which will make you doubtful about their answer. The next step is try to solve the analytical questions at the end. Sometimes some questions are there which will consume most of your time. Therefore, try to skip these questions and attempt that in the later stage.